Aner malakan yam kanadialan kontin lianka roine gwaseme kanor online TV channel and walle shanka walbangwan ka paibakal ron kina dangaraw wide jan dangaraw wide diej bana jome bana jaling and jo bana linga jo mashallah netin shalke OPP ki other political parties neti ti kenete konte tan kamal karon kina dangaraw wide wal badak gwade tan ke maltin kirma yadit kana Dr. Riek machar bana jo dana chikan lat gwaseme bana jelinkel akan kononiam me jirama jedit kan online TV channel gore jen ojin der lerme de nyuwa nasen koken ke der channel ba der je support de chonga je kel bana jome ban je cholin kel ka jome shalat gwaseme shala do nene te gun mishal ke Peter Mayan ram kel met gwa malga me chatany la 2018 peace agreement e chatany wa shala no te kamishika la no de mal de jelat re wiki juba kana part ni toto la part nitin content re which ka so Sudan ka joma sha kwen gwasa me bagono bakwen yaka tuk English bana kula wo nyamten chala do nene ala OPP shelar no shinay mat ka wuri shalka me Peter Mayan ka jora na shelar ka jenwo ite ke rojmi balat ke kwi mari party ni ke do brande malde no jere which ka so Sudan kan shiga nay party dung man chala root mo Peter Mayan. OPP say it does not support Peter Mayan peace dialogue plan. The other political parties, a group that signed the 2018 peace agreement, say it is not part of the peace dialogue proposed by the Peter Mayan Majongdit, the leader of the People Liberal Party. Wawude shi larano ramkel mnogo de mal de jalat re which kajuba wude shalkame Peter Mayan chaja logo no men chala da washi tok generam kelka part Michel People Liberal Party PLP kakan other party ten cha shot gwaskel ka joga pay we Peter Mayan cha jolar ngonene chala da take Michel ke juba initiative of the parties mabalat. He claimed this initiative was supported by the OPP and that it aimed to start dialogue among the group who signed the peace deal. Wajen cha joga chala da ngonene en manana chala no take man mabalat kam party ni ka kwimal me chatan ke 2018 peace agreement ajeni kwaje support abona shalke OPP antem shi OPP che barar ka chala do man chala da Mayan shi tok ka kwije mo shine gorno binai a part da manana chalat man chala da Mayan chala do jen shi tok no te ga part ni te de barar ko ba mal ba je tanya ken Mayan te ka min shalke PLP we respect the concern of all political groups, including our own, Mayan said in a statement on June 13, 2025. We will share our concern and talk about what must be done to implement the peace agreement before the election. Kennedy T. Kajom Chikanalat, a Kanito de Kadol, Kadovadan de Maldero Nyam Gajere, Wikajuba, Chikamangai Kone, Guanone, Chukumakin Mayadit. Shares pelai wo chaja dongrar la pad nitin koken tin chagwij bon wo shi wo wonyam ke chi maleda ne cha tanyen wo chagwij no cha jek kanade karuden chwal gwaskel ke de kan do badan en ba queen kwar bailat keje ke 2018 peace agreement de kan newton ka de kan do mo de kan gwich jo mo jo michalat ke jo mo chikanalat ka jordin mi kan nyolat kanati kan international community kan ne dialan content chunga kwimalka ko wode kan mal andana cha yare wike so Sudan de kan jako bajalat ko de mal derben dunde wona ne ka shankaro ka jok chinetin content chalka other political party leader she can statement she can release ke chigwa jona ne men shala de Mayan chine met keje but on Tuesday the other political party OPP leadership released a statement saying that Mayan comment do not represent OPP views. A Kerman chala de wote ka part net budwal ka kwimat ka ke kwimal ka kanashine mat ka jakel chikan jo mo chikanalat. The leadership of the OPP is concerned about the recent public comment made by Honorable Peter Mayan Majongdit, former Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, since June 13. The statement said, it is a statement made under the name of the so-called urgent call for dialogue to serve South Sudan peace process do not speak for OPP. We strongly reject this claim and want to make it clear to all political groups and to the public that OPP is not part of Peter Mayan's statement or activities. Kani manana shala da Mayan kani chikan met kaje kani tin shalke OPP. Kajordian machalat gwasame kani nene kani Peter Mayan chiram kel ko OPP leadership. Ajanetele bom ke tele jalwang ko dere lan mishna mo dere jalat. Kani nene national and international partners should know that Mayan is no longer connected to other political party, which is OPP. Kajo chikanalat Mayan wacha dismissed Miss Kojan Aramkel PLP party men shalat kuma South Sudan. Alawudi shalga Mayan jana de mal de jalat kede na bun gwaskel kadwo badan de mal de jalat keje lo de bondi alde nyur gwakel but chaje reject and it shalka me to other political party ko other political party kan met kan ke kirma yadit kajo mashalat gwasme chikalar nena. The group also asked for a quick review of Chapter 2 of the Peace Agreement. We deal with integrating forces under one command, led by one commander-in-chief before the election. Kena no kan manana shala no de bondial de gamat gwaskel ko de nedial de ga chongalakel ko de party ke de ko inquire de ko lat karonen be lo de repin kirma yadit ala commander in chief ko temte commander in chief dang rawti guten kirma yadit commander in chief reng machar commander in chief kana the political party katin kono met kel ke kirma yadit chikan dak reng machar chikan lat ka jo mi chikan kon gwat mbenyo ko ni ka tugin li chakana nana. The other political party also repeated its full support for the peace agreement and say that it is the only path to peaceful election in South Sudan. They say that OPP never called anyone peace spoiler, including Dr. Martin Lumoro, Minister of Cabinet Affairs. Kanete la ramchikan mashallah wo ne dialati ke ke yen yermalo kan kirma yadi kan jog kan Dr. Martin kan jog no kan dialati la cabinet ni rewika South Sudan kan ga kwedo kan te gadero ko ba mal ba yer kam ko kono la tok ne de ti other political party ke symbolican telam let kan rewika South Sudan kajomi kan lat gwaseme kan nene kana tine public kene dial content re wika South Sudan no shonga kel kamal andana gorke enwo de tan re wika South Sudan ko de South Sudan der te kamal chikan jomo chikan lad no shonga kel re ring nitin ko na lat korodian ko bi mal ba won yamono no chikan jome chikan lat kajomo chikan kwen. They explained that although Mayan was one of the 6 people who signed the peace agreement under the OPP, his own party PLP removed him after that he lost his place in the OPP too. Jana waram kel mishamal chetan keron kina dangray dual badak baranteme chaya joj ray party ka mugo ko ba yire gwazame malar kema gwazame do brande mal der ben keje ko de mal de jetan ban mal chaje de la lora bang akan doctoring machar akan kon kamrar kajo chalat gwazame nediti akana nana akana me chalare we kanasir akana lukane jen aloku kan chonkel ke doctoring sorry chikan chunga doctoring machar chungan kel ke kirme yadit akana men chala de reng machar akana mijek de reng machar de je di luk ka jo dan lat kene je akana chang te reng machar ba de malamo de je lat jo me je nana go de nyoga yekel no other political party kan telam let kene ken ke symbolic ken de en jo mo de en lingano no biat kamal ban yo jigler den babai.